Gambians have frequently expressed concerns on social media about the circulation of expired food items in the country's markets. Several incidents involving viral photos and videos of alleged expired products have sparked public outrage and alarm. Consuming expired food is a serious health risk, with research indicating it can lead to food poisoning, causing symptoms like nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and fever. In extreme cases, it can result in hospitalization or even death. Dr. Ousman Gajigo, an economics and social commentator, is the latest to raise concern about expired food items, specifically those found in a supermarket located along Kairaba Avenue. Kerfatu visited Dr. Gajigo to gather more details about his encounter with the supermarket's management.
So, Sanjay, several of them, I bought almost 6 of them. And of course, these are expensive. Ngasa watu menante la expiry date jube ibela expiry date mu 2025 wolbe safering ye so ngasa mfo watu menanata suo kono jandron ndefinta dinol ya yeletendo yaje nyilbe sunkanka so jelem ya korosi expiry date ni yaje ko coming even though safering 2025 yo kaito yo landi the real expiry date kan jarfa nyilbe expired months ago bari ñi so makro minke ye date kutoleta ya safe 2025 ya landi di real expiry date ka pour ka mol full so momo nada ka ñinsa ite ba mirala ko ñil de still good what expired several months ago so nata min jube ngata muruta sopoto ngi fa ñinin kan ko mune ñin sabu iko itel makala muta skeno le dokula dole ñim fenke jeten so ntada ngeji nga ko dokula si mistake ko keno nyaade fo dokula si tano le bang yin false date ki jeba jele yalo ndengalo ni mimbe keri so nkoy ko nyin ndendela nyinda because ndele nganyin sanna dindingol le dolbi je they are even 2 years old I mean 2 years 6 years old bebe do yarin so nyi manke fenke ko damati nyi manke business code nyi mu health quality because dindingol kamin domo anyin si affect nol nyi fo mi yalo nga expert fa be sunkanka o manyan naka wafi.
The Food Safety and Quality Authority of the Gambia, FSQA, is the sole national authority responsible for regulating the safety and quality of food and animal feed in the country, including imports and exports. When asked if he reported the incident to the FSQA, Dr. Gajigo confirmed that he heard and he shared his discussion with the authorities with Kerfatu.
So, JLM Tara Food Safety and Quality Quality Authorities, FSQA, nga ko report je kunum fang. Wol fang tada je watu minna e konye ko futata je watu minna ye food expiring dol fang tada je le fang ye telefon e do muta je so e ko sayla inspection unit ni wol yela do ko yele report save e ba sambala towards their enforcement unit ni wolle say wolle bina recommendation o kala ka jube fo be legal action ole tala bang against these people or not but ñing ko kabri nim mo jama diamata ko la ngamin notice mo jarfa ñim problème o asia bata supermarket ol konole amanke ñing discount center dammat ño nkamwe supermarket jamal la so ñaji mbekela ñing enforcement mi ñanta kake aning consequences mi ñanta kake nim wafir live thing expiring wafi mi ñanta kaka mantra ke ñim banko kan adun danko manke ñi wafir lal ñi supermarket wol ibe continuer la kanyinke adun ñing is a very serious matter because nim fengota da fa expire ala consequences, ala health consequences is very serious. Adu nyimbe asimobile affect no. So nyanta ka nyunkuo nga follow up nga bulanda masakunda noma na FSQ nyanta ka minke nga make so ko ye continue ka okay because nyimma nyanda continue la nyimbanko ka.
Regarding his next steps, if the authorities fail to act, Dr. Gajigo stated that he would not hesitate to pursue legal action to protect Gambian citizens from the dangers of expired food products.
Well, the first step meming can sign ka continue can you publicize pour mol be along. Ni manke mo dantana fenko because sign ibe nying breakfast cereal cake domoro mil katra mol la bitiko to sia battle. Ni mol ya mo nyin supermarket wol be nyin cake nyin ku as spread no le marchandise dolto. So the first thing meming kala nim wolem kanyun ko publicize pour mol ya long ko nyin problemo amandati sign a meta kelale. Adun niaji nyilbe fitro soto kaybe hani kan continue ka nyinke ya lonne ko kute bolaji so mol nyanta nyinko kalamta nga action star nga government nge pressurize government nyanta minkela yake pour nyim business sifa milka nyinke consequences mimbine ka nimmi yake ata fulan janna kotake wo kola dum ning denga lon ko man sukunda be minke kan nyanta minkele maki nyin karo nde bulala nyin ko no male fa afa la bandula hana jarta nyele ngata nga legal action ota mbakela le because mantra nyinke kan damay because nying amantra mo kilinda ma afeka be banko bel afeka so nying steps solten I'm hoping that comme nyin legal action ata futala woto nim man sukunda nyanta minkela ni okay anyanta danna woto bari nying publicizing this material wo mbe continue ka okay because the more people are aware of this jelo preso nyanda fanan kafula ni wafirlal kam ka lon ko be nyi minke kam imanyana kake
Kerfado has learned from reliable sources that members of the FSQA inspected the supermarket and found expired food items. However, FSQA representatives were unavailable for comment at the time of publication. Attempts to reach the supermarket for their response were unsuccessful as they declined to comment. Reporting for Kerfado, I am Landin Sise.